So genetic male pattern baldness, patients tend to lose hair in many different patterns. Some you can see from front, and then some they have mid-scalp hair loss. Sometimes it becomes a bit obvious in the crown area. So the choice or the desire of patient varies. So in this case today, my patient is very happy with the hairline. He's very happy, in fact, on the frontal area, but he is very conscious about the hair loss that he has in the crown area. So never mind, it's okay. You got a fantastic donor. We will fill up a little bit in the crown area and then in the mid-scalp area here, which doctor already designed here, so that to give him back a confidence level back. But not too much too, because in case he lose the hair in the front, you also can do in the front. So when patients do lose hair in the front, in the mid-scalp or in the crown area, which is a non-permanent zone affected by dihydrotestosterone receptors, they can come a choice or option. But then in the donor area, should be you have to consider the donor area so that you can decide and advise patient accordingly how much hair to put at the back, not too much, so that you can preserve the donor hair supply for the future progressive hair loss in front, because in front is the aesthetic look of the patient. Okay, alright? So you do understand, huh? Okay, so I'd like to thank my patient for liking this video and supporting Clinic Dr Inder. Thumbs up, doctor. Thank you so much for supporting and believing and choosing Clinic Dr Inder as his hair transplant clinic and doctor. Thank you.